Huh? Filipino cookies and stuff?
Happy birthday! Okay, sing happy birthday!
Woo! Fire!
Fire, Dian.
Yeah.
Don't play with matches. They're dangerous.
Smoke! Okay, see.
Alright.
Alright. Okay, bye.
Okay, sing!
Happy birthday, my God.
Mommy.
Mommy. Happy
Mommy.
birthday, mommy. Okay. Again, sing!
See.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, mommy. Mommy. Happy birthday, mommy. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear mommy.
Mommy.
Happy birthday
to you. Good
You're
job.
just singing. Yay.
He sings pretty good.
You sing pretty good.
There's a
Okay,
fire!
wish everything's fine.
There's a fire!
Okay. Well,
Okay, blow. Share.
Yay!
Yay!
You want a piece of,
Alright.
which one you want? They're hot, Michael. Michael, they're hot. Watch it.
Oh, why?
You want cheesecake, Dian? Which one you want, Michael? Which piece?
There's a chocolate.
Last time you had chocolate, you didn't want it.
And now I'm gonna open the card. Open.
Happy birthday, huh, Dian?
Wow! The meaning of love. Charot.
Number 3.
Yep.
Wow, I have 200. Thank you. Char.
That's good.
Hey, buddy.
Yay, mayroon akong pera.
Let's box it. Wait. Let's see.
Thank you, babe.
You're welcome.
Money. I have money now. Yay! Happy birthday.
Happy birthday soon.
Happy birthday soon.
It's a strawberry. What's cheese?
Yum.
Tom boys.
You want cheesecake, Dian?
Boom.
That's number 3.
You see.
Hello, Dion. Dion, that's number 3. Huh, what do I want? I'm gonna try.
Whoa! Wait,
I like the variety one, huh?
Peach.
That's the strawberry swirl.
Strawberry swirl.
Yeah.
Hello, Dion.
Okay.
Ay.
Can't waste none of that, is it? He must be getting full. Michael, don't pull on the table. Michael.
Okay, don't do that, anak.
Michael, don't pull on the table. Michael, don't pull on the table. Come on, stop.
This is another number 3.
Number 2.
And this is happy
And that's
birthday.
happy birthday.
Yes.
Bossy.
Happy birthday.
Happy candle. What's here? Happy
Happy
birthday.
birthday candle. This one is happy birthday.
Oh. This is broken. This broken up there.
Special shoutout to our head founder of Kagubatan team. Greetings na rin dahil siya ay magsi-celebrate ng kanyang karawan. Ayan, happy birthday to you, Ma'am Pilar vlog in USA. Sending my wishes for your success. Ayan. Good health and good fortune today and in the year to come. Ayan, enjoy your special day. Maraming salamat as a member of Kagubatan team. Binigyan kami ng isang head founder na napakabait, napaka-cool, handang umunawa kahit nalilate na yung mga pagpapasa ng mga resibo sa mga kanilang mga Facebook page. Pag kahit mga huli na, binibigyan mo pa ng extension. Maraming salamat para dyan. Ayan, ipagpatuloy mo lang na simulan mo para mapaunlad ang mga small YouTuber na yung miyembro. Maraming salamat na dumating ka sa amin bilang isang head founder. Ayan, inuulit ko po, maraming salamat at happy birthday.
Maraming salamat sa lahat na nandito at ako ay si Jumin Praso at isa akong member dito sa Team Karagatan na pinangungunahan ni Madam Founder Pilar. At dahil ngayon ay birthday niya, nandito ako para batiin siya ng maligayang kaarawan, Madam. At sana'y marami pang blessings ang darating sa iyo at deserve mo yan dahil sa iyong kabaitan. At nagpapasalamat ako at ako yung tinanggap dito sa iyong tahanan at napaka-supportive mong founder. Maraming salamat at ano man yung hiling mo sa ngayon, sana'y ibigay ni Lord dahil napakabait mong tao at napaka maunawain at very supportive mo sa amin. At yun lang po, ako'y nagpapasalamat at hiling ko po na sana'y marami ka pang kaarawan na darating at happiest birthday and God bless you. Thank you.
Hello guys. What's up? So, ayan guys, may babatiin lang akong kaarawan ng aming founder. So, let's say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ayan, founder Pilar Vlogs ng USA. Happy birthday. So, wish ko lang sa birthday mo ay maging malakas ang pangangatawan. So, ilayo sa yung mga sakit, no? At saka maging happy yung family mo at kung ano man ang nasimulan mo sa iyong YTC channel ay maging mas marami pang viewers, mas maraming subscribers, at saka yung more earnings to come. So, keep it up sa iyong sarili. So, enjoy your birthday. Bye-bye. And once again, nga pala, happy birthday. So,
hello everyone! Sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe sa akin guys, please subscribe, Israel F. Ayan, babatiin ko ang aming ang aking isang kaibigan dito sa YouTube na si Sis Pilar US Vlog. Ayan. Sis, binabati kita ng happy birthday. Enjoy your day and more blessings to come. Keep safe and I'm here always to support your channel. Bye sis! Love you!
Hi guys! Ako po si Isabel's Dad at binabati ko po ng happy birthday si Happy birthday po ulit. Thank you. Ingat po kayo.
Hi! Magandang buhay! So, ayan, mega love shoutout sa'yo, Pilar Vlogs in USA. Happy birthday! More vlogs to come. And sana, may mag-viral sa ating mga video. So, enjoy lang natin ang ating YT world. So, ayan, Miss Pilar, Vlog USA. So, thank you so much sa pag-adapt mo sa akin sa ating team. So, ayan, napakasipag mong founder. So, hangang-hanga ako sa'yo. So, ayan, once again, happy birthday. Hindi na ako magtatagal sa pagsalita kasi hindi ako sanay magsalita. Sanay lang ako sumayaw. So, ayan. Thank you so much. I love you and bye-bye. Happy birthday ulit.
Hello! Greetings po sa aming founder sa Team Karagatan. Happy birthday po sa'yo, Pilar. Ate Pilar. Ate Pilar na lang. Sissy Pilar. Many more birthdays to come po and more blessings to your family. Ingat po palagi. Then,
More blessings po sa ating channel.
yes.
Of course. Maraming thank you po sa pagpasali sa amin sa Team Karagatan. And anyway, thank you din sa Just a Little Bit of Guide, diba? Ano pa?
Yun na po.
Thank you.
Thank you and happy birthday po sa'yo. Bye-bye!
Hi, Bebe! Happy birthday, Pilar Vlogs from USA. I'm here in Abu Dhabi. Happy birthday! Kahit dito lang tayo nag-friends sa YouTube, I'm so blessed that we met in Messenger. Happy birthday! Enjoy your day and thank you for the YouTube friendship and wish you all the best. And sana magkita din tayo. Inshallah. Diba? Wala naman posible. Parehas naman tayong kabayan, diba? Thank you and happy birthday again, Pilar Vlogs from USA, and I love you. Mwah.